Carbon dioxide. Normally, it forms about the 0.03% by the volume of the atmosphere. If the amount of carbon dioxide crosses the delicate proportions of 0.03%, the natural and greenhouse balance may get disturbed. Carbon dioxide is the major contributor to global warming. Stratospheric pollutions, formations and breakdown of ozone. The upper stratosphere consists of the considerable amount of ozone O3 which protect us from the harmful ultraviolet UV radiations lambda बराबर 255 nanometer coming from the sun. These radiations cause skin cancer, melanoma in humans, so it is important to maintain the ozone shield. Ozone in a stratosphere is a product of UV radiations acting on the dioxygen O2 molecules. O2G UV O free radical G plus O free radical G O free radical G plus O2G UV O O3G. Ozone is thermodynamically unstable and decomposes to the molecular oxygen. Thus, a dynamic equilibrium exists between the productions and the decompositions of ozone molecules. Chlorofluorocarbons CFC or the freons. The freons decompose in the presence of UV radiations coming from the sun. CF2Cl2 Hv C free radical F2Cl plus Cl free radical CFCl3 Hv Cl free radical plus CF C free radical FCl2. These reactive chlorine atoms destroy the ozone layer through the following sequence of reactions, which are repeated because chlorine atoms are regenerated in the second reaction Cl free radical plus O3 ClO free radical plus O2 ClO free radical plus O Cl free radical plus O2. One molecule of CFC can destroy more than 1000 O3 molecules in the stratosphere. These compounds are non-reactive, non-flammable, non-toxic organic molecules and therefore used in the refrigerators, air conditioners, in the productions of plastic form and by electronic industry for cleaning computer parts. Once CFCs are released in the atmosphere, they mix with the normal atmospheric gases and eventually reaches the stratosphere. In the stratosphere, they got broken down by the UV radiations, releasing chlorine free radicals, which further react with the ozone to form the chlorine monoxide radicals and the molecular oxygen. Effect of depletions of O3 layer. Due to depletions of O3 layer, UV radiations fall on the earth. The UV radiations damage the cornea and lens of the eyes. The UV radiations affect the plant proteins, so reduce the chlorophyll. The UV radiations upset the heat balance of earth. ozone hole. It was found that a unique set of the conditions was responsible for the ozone hole in summer season. Nitrogen dioxide and methane react with the chlorine monoxide reactions and Cl atom reactions B. Reactions A and Cl atom reaction B. Chlorine sink, preventing much ozone depletion, whereas in winter a special type of clouds called polar stratospheric clouds are formed over Antarctica. These polar stratospheric clouds provide the surface on which chlorine nitrate formed reactions get hydrolyzed to form hydrochlorous acid reactions. It also reacts with hydrogen chloride produced as per reactions B to give molecular chlorine. Cl free radical O plus N free radical O2 G ClO NO2 G Cl free radical G plus CH4 free radical CH4 G C free radical H3 G plus HCl G ClO NO2 G plus H2O G HOCl G plus HNO3 G ClO NO2 G plus HCl G Cl2 G plus HNO3 G. Now acid rain. The rain containing H2SO4, HNO3 and a small amount of the HCl which are formed from the oxide of the S and N2 present in the air is called as acid rain. Normally rain water has pH 4 of 5.6 due to the presence of H plus ions formed by the reactions of rainwater with carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere. H2OL plus CO2G, H2CO3 aqueous, H2CO3 aqueous, H plus aqueous plus HCO3 minus aqueous. When the pH of pH of rainwater drops below 5.6, it is called the acid rain. Acid rain is harmful for agriculture, trees and plants as it dissolves and washes away nutrients required for their growth. It causes respiratory ailments in human beings and animals, affect the aquatic ecosystem and damage building and other structure made of stone or metal. It corrode water pipe, so heavy metal like Fe, Pb, Cu are mixed with water which have toxic effect. The acid rain increase the acidity or lake which is harmful to the aquatic ecosystem.